This video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at barcode PLU descriptor programming on the ER900 series register. This video I'm using the register model 940, but the process will be the same across the range. So you've seen my previous videos, we've gone into the PLU status setup, we've done the PLU group assignment, and we've given our barcode products prices. This final video we're going to give the product a description. I'm referring to page 96 of the ER900 series manual. The process is fairly straightforward. It's in the P mode 300 subtotal. Scan your barcode or press the PLU if you're just doing normal PLUs. Type in your description, hit quantity time, hit cache. The key thing is you'll need the alpha keyboard, which should be under your standard keyboard. So have a look at the keyboard templates you've got. Take the top one off and you should find the alpha one underneath. If you haven't, you can download them on the internet. I'll put a link to where you can get them from in the video. Just want it nice and straightened up just to make sure you don't mess anything up. Cancel that sale. Okay, so yeah, we're ready to go. So it's P key round to PGM position. We're in the program mode. Type in 300, and then press the subtotal button. You then scan the product barcode. Comes up with the barcode of the product, obviously, and then now all you do is type in your product description. On the overlay you've got caps, bold, space options. You can have up to 18 characters in your description. Bold would reduce that, obviously. So there, I've made a mistake, so we've got a backspace here. Once you're happy with your description, you press the quantity time button or X time key to confirm. You can now either just press the cache button if that's the only one you're programming. You can just press it now and save it. If you're going on and either editing more, you can scan them now. So now that's the product. If you've seen my previous videos, this is the product I've been mainly programming. So again, you scan it. I'll just type in the description again. Obviously imagine that the default description had come up. So this is also useful if you're editing existing products. So then when you're happy with your description, quantity time to confirm, and then if you're doing another product you can scan it now, or if you're just doing that one, or that's the last one you're doing, it's cache to save. Turn the key back round to the register mode. We just look at a little printout. We've got confirmation of the barcode products and then the new descriptions. In the reg mode you can then scan your products, and instead of coming up with the barcode, there we go, it's a 395. So that first one, the big pack, I haven't given a price, so I'll just give you a quick refresher on how to do a price. P mode 200 subtotal instead of 300. Scan the product, and then depending on how many price levels you've got, my machine's got 2 price levels, so I put in the first price level 1, then quantity time, then price level 2. Mine are actually the same price on this machine for that product, and then cache to save. You get a little printout confirming what you've done, and then key, that's the foam cleaner, and now the pack of pens has also got a price. That barcode's a bit messed up actually. That's why that wasn't scanning great, but yeah, you go. That's how to program a barcode product on your ER900 with a descriptor. So got plenty more videos showing you how to do the rest of the barcode setup on the 900s. Some of those videos will be appearing now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.